Now, the good thing about this play is that it's short enough that you can easily go over it quite quickly yourself. When you're looking in the TSFX booklet that you've got there, I would go through, I'm just making it smaller just so I can see as I'm going. I would go through carefully and read all of the stuff in it. And make sure that you know about it. Now, if you come across something that you think, oh my goodness, we didn't go over that in class, or I don't really get that properly, or I kind of remember it, but go and look it up. Because I guarantee you the one thing that you didn't look up will be the one thing you need for the exam. There's still plenty of time to prepare for the exam. So use this as a real trigger about what you do and don't know. Now, as you go further down, I've broken some quotes up for you in addition to what I've given you here. So there are more quotes there that you may or may not use. Remembering you can't just shove any quote in. You need to make sure that you are always answering the prompt, the key idea of the prompt that you're given, okay? But there is plenty of quotes in this book. Down the bottom, I'm just getting to it, are some examples of good body paragraphs. I know everybody likes to get those. So again, go through, read them, look at how the sentences vary, language you can use, ideas to start your own sentences. That will be really helpful. And then, of course, have a look at the sample essay that you've been given. And there's a few of those, by the way, in here. You've got three of them there, and they're broken down for you as well. But equally, what I came back, this is like me full circle now. Remember, they're not going to ask you the same questions they have before. So all you need to do is go to the VCAA English exam website. I'm just pulling them up now. And all I do is I go through and for every text, I just write down the questions they've asked and make sure then that when I'm going through with a practice list of essay topics, and probably you have some from school as well, I cross out any that are covering the same the sort of the same idea or the same theme explicitly, okay? And I don't rewrite them. I write on the other topics because that's good use of time. And it's not enough at this stage in the year just to be writing detailed plans. You really need to be writing full essays, literally a full intro all the way down to a full conclusion, and making sure that when you don't know the answer to a prompt, to a question you come across, it's exactly what I just said about the notes. Go and look it up. I know a lot of schools don't do this. So it's one of it's a minor text that's used. But I think it's a great text to use because it's really easy to find information on. Don't worry about the VC. Don't put in VC English Women of Troy when you go to look at it. Just put in Euripides Women of Troy. The amount of articles you'll get. The other link, sort of hint when you're looking up the text to get the really good stuff is when you put in the name of the text, and you can do this for your comparatives too, whatever the name of the text is. After that, in the search engine, just put analysis PDF, and you'll come up with better readings of it. You'll come up with, more detailed readings that will get you a better result for what you want. So please do that and find information.